Hello and welcome. My name is Lindeni. Today I want to show you how to create contact forms and any kind of form on your WordPress website using the plugin called multi-purpose mail form. The first things we need to do is to install and set up the plugin as required for it to work. So let's go ahead and install it now. We will search for it on the WordPress repository by typing MPMF. It will be the only one listed if you use this. Then we install it and wait for it to be installed. This plugin can be used to create any kind of form of any size with unlimited fields as you wish, to collect as much data as you need for your business. So now the plugin is installed. Let's go ahead and activate. After activating the plugin, it will add a new menu on the sidebar here, from which we can access its settings and dashboard. So now let's see. You can see now it says here MPMF. First thing, let's go to settings before we can do anything else. As you can see here, it requires the email address to which the data will be sent to when somebody submits the form. You can optionally insert your phone number so that it can be displayed on the default form. This plugin comes with a form that is pre-built. You can just set it up to choose which fields to show on the form and then insert the shortcode in your page. So here we need to insert the email address. By default it captures the email address of the admin. So the next thing we need to do after setting up after setting up this contact section, if you prefer to use the form that's built in by default, you need to go to its settings here and copy the shortcode so that you can insert it in your page. So now the form has various options you can choose from. You can choose to show your phone number you added here and the email address you added here, and then choose which fields to display. You can also change the labels for these fields. Let's say you want to change this field here. You can just edit it and type anything you want. You can change all the fields and the labels. Let's say we want to change the send button. Let's call it send data or send whatever we want to call it. Then we click update. This is the important part. Now next, if you want to show the capture by Google, which is a security feature for the plugin to prevent people from using automated methods to send you information that you may not like, you can enable this feature and click on this link here to go to the Google's dashboard so that you can get the required side key, public key and secret key. So now you can create a new key or use existing ones, but just add your domain to the list. Let's create a new one. Okay, I already have one for my website here, so I will just grab that one next is this thing you need here, the secret key, the side key. You copy it, you paste it in side key, and also public key. It's the same thing. Then next you copy the secret key and paste it here. Now you save. Then you will have your form ready. So there's two modes of the capture that this plugin supports. This is the first one, and that's recommended, where people will just click on a checkbox to show that they are not robots. The other one is to type in a phrase or some words displayed on a picture. I prefer to use this second one. I'll just save. And I think now that is the required settings that we can use. So now, before we can create custom forms, let me show you how the default one looks like. So let's go ahead and copy the shortcode here, and we will add it on a form. I'll just open a new tab and create a new page. I will call it test default form, and then I will paste the shortcode here, just making sure it is as we need it, just like that. MPMF. It copied the styles, so I will just remove the styling like that, and there we go. Now I want this to be a full width page. Now I can publish my page. After publishing my page, I can view and see what the form looks like. So let's go ahead and click on the link. So now, with all the options we have chosen, this is how the form looks like. It's not bad, it's a good form. We can choose to hide these things here, or hide whatever we want to hide. And here is the Google Capture. As I mentioned, I prefer to use this one. So now you can fill in this, your visitors can fill in this form and click send data. As you can see, this is the label that I've chosen for the text, for the label. It was submit, I changed it to send data. So now you can see you can customize all this, and the same apply with the custom forms that you can create. You can call anything and you want, anything you like, as you wish your form to be. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next section where we create custom forms from scratch.